Kofo close your deba. Nan somebody more and your debra nana pay your friend be seen called Dimario. Maybe the few summer bam latest intelligence babana monanen some abonu inano or the one some abetu and him live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook. Go like a page, you know. Now order comment at all. We are not sharing as many times. Opes or share no union so in your hanano private nasia. Yadin Samna Brabra Aziz Osman Maega. Obet my friend say Mr. Walk on a Bobby Femino new man dominate today and I'm not private nasia. Yadin Samna Ebramo Ewo Jumedian Shasia. Now ye shan Samna say Eddie Free Referees Association of Ghana. Omo chairman your friend say George Seja din Sempi Atuja. Now Yagobuso would understand what is there's a referee chairman of the Ghana Football Association. Open your friend say Alex Cote Din Komaza. There's some Omo rag for any recognition be from FIFA na Yentians Chimua. Open your friend say George Seja. Or no, there's a rag chairman. Ademaya, there's a referees association of Ghana. Nesama or the two years.
The media that say referees kwan yo krana ono betima nya referees o mo di matches referee be no do baba di matches no apart from referees of Ghana matches I don't think ya kwente no why didn't he bring those referees from wherever he's bringing them to come and officiate the matches from the day he became as the referee manager and he stands the public today? Is that the reason why you conduct examinations and will not bring out the results for people to see? You see, they're taking as the instructor of GFA. We don't want to. We have decided, the National Executive have restrained a lot of our members to stay away entirely from this little issue that is having with our opinion Georgia Free. We told them, look, stay away. Let him deal with the man himself. Yeah, we don't want to be part of it.
Yes, we in summer Referees Association of Ghana rag chairman reference George Seja editu ya nime nano pa yedon some edema mojumedino so now the last week baby na referees chairman of the Ghana Football Association reference Alex Cote to just maybe a gamba blast for Siakani asante ko boy after the game kura no I had this reference Georgia Free and can now the vice chairman edema Ghana Football Association na ura no din komoshia na majeza opeka kra mo mu ja omo kwani ade a amansa no beto biasa eba ne say na former GFA vice president pa ebetimi so ayesa de majeza allegation no na ayehu kroma pa na emfa to just as ansam no gusu eba na ekobu se openye fense George Sejo no aye chairman adema Referees Association of Ghana say sansama openye fense Alex Cote de beto bia no wate ama to the sense owura na kra no be kasa no some days later asaba abonten at the apology at the commander former vice president of the Ghana Football Association openye friend say George Free na ono George Seja no wate na wate a send osifa 7 yentie owura friend say George Seja
see good, it's good and Germanenka, but the second issue is that it is bent on opinion as a word of a year tomorrow and the meaning I don't want to talk about it because it is not an issue that I want us to delve in. It's so disgraceful. It has disgraced with the referees. I am telling you, both on those political divides, you are the national chairman. What are you people doing about it? Let me see. We don't jump into these issues immediately. We want to see what will come out of it. So if you are going to apologize, we don't know what is going to come from behind.
Yes, we in summer reference George Sejo on a chairman Edema Referees Association of Ghana or the two Diana no pay ya don't some Edema no say yam fan to say rag for no on communication gadgets I beboa amache say officiating netima kama pa on kwamba faso edin komanya fi an incident bisia just o tumrika akọ touchline ne assistant referees na coding komona so more communication gadget eno proper one beboa ama communication etima boa ma referees no so mu di games na boa ama dey say game no etima flow ye pa yentie rag chairman George Seja.
We need communication gadgets for our referees at the premier level. They sorted them out. But we need it at the Division 1 level, communication gadgets. We need it at the Division 2 gadgets, communication. We need at Division 3 level. We need it. It is a modern equipment that will help referees communicate effectively before, during, and after the matches. And this will actually help solve major issues and make sure that it uproots issues that will create further challenges for referees when they are on the field of play.
Yes, I know I am some rag chairman who reference George Sejari Tuja. I don't know pay doing some edema mojumedian Sanra. Would want to check Kumasi Babayara Sports Manra Kumasi Asante Goroko supporters and House of Folk supporters. Nana some go to a ground keep vigil in answer Yenia Pola when baby corn just in some P Nefrimuba Ayara was some among folk who so a diawa chase and Yagra no when Babayara Sports supporters no. Womu ebo twi ekopiem wo ma chese na omu doso a chese na nya grokra sama money jamani ade enwom to ne ade koso ani bra kwan so a chese nya grokra ni nanse omu pe justice ade amayenu pola enche konya ne ba bi ko chese na nya grokra no ene emfon se the national motivator yenu efense baby jo no wase na baby jo de sempi tudwa nensam okan nanse ope justice ade amapoli. Yes, enti ayade se baby Jody anya ready a yemfa to jasenra na anya sam koto akra kuma se Babara Sports manano pay ye don sam ademamo ewo dwumade so away from that yemfa ni enche ESCO member Frederick Echamponza obeka Friday no omo any supporters leadership ni shia na no ya ade se kun omo faso ahia to adwen ama ade se Ghana football no betima to so a hooliganism bia enkoso bia omu dinkobo pi to adwen na after se omu shia supporters leadership no opanyin afense Frederick Echapod nsem pi tudwa ne nsema all kan bi ne se omu de no magu akwa enche bia Ghana Premier League no ebe sign a resume yentie Frederick Echampon ESCO member.
Each and every Premier League club being represented. Some have as many as 2-3 representations. So it tells you of the importance of today's meeting, and it's been very, very fruitful. We'll come out with some resolutions that we are going to abide by it. All those resolutions are in conformity with the provisions in our regulations and the club licensing requirement as well, except that in certain cases they are not being enforced as we need to. And then in certain cases, the protocols are not so clear, and so we've done this. So now, henceforth, as the league will resume, we know the number of management members who would even have access to the safe zone. Then we also resolved that no management member would have access to the changing room during halftime. Because all these, if you go to certain venues, there are routes from the VIP to the changing rooms, but at certain venues, you need to cross the pitch to go there. And all this will create some sort of agitation amongst the home fans that maybe management members are going to bribe referees, going to see referee and all those things. So we need to, curtail all those things. So now we're going to enforce the provisions, the regulations strictly to the latter, and we've agreed on all these things. So now.
Yes, I know you and some ESCO member Frederick Echampon to Janano Pike. You don't want some Edemamu or Jumadian Sonia some Kotakrana. Young founders Wako House of Folk, our former board member. Alaja Kambi din Sempia to Jawa Chechem Dientia House of Folk, any Asante Goroko made the joint statement about Bontientia, former House of Folk board member Alhaja Kambi.
I wouldn't say it has been done, though we came up with something which most of you guys have gotten it. But during the meeting, we realized I don't think it's necessary for us to do any submission, because it's almost whatever we have is almost the same thing that we met here. I mean, especially with all the clubs, it's the same thing that we are all fighting for.
So what specifically?
Oh no, like we said to you, we are leaving everything to the ESCO members. Tomorrow after their meeting, they will come up with it.
Yes, when and some former House of Folk board member Lanja Kambi to Janano Pay, you don't some Edemamo Awajumedins. Young fun to just I'm not a catch was a Nanya Sam Kutakro Kumasi Babara Sports Cinema. Asante Koroko supporters, ni some House of Folk supporters. Womu kobo demu ho na chesenya sam kutwa kwanti minim sasa ta me video na ready am betimi di atoso na de ekoso Kumasi Babara Sports Cinema ya no supporters no ana fietiefo nya so atimi anya bia he ne bibia no etimi so afante no de ekoso Kumasi Babara Sports Cinema ana da so supporters no womu demonstrate womu ni bre a chesa womu siki justice ade ama delayed pola na nya sam kutwa kwa yemfa to just yakọ box na Joseph Kinko Agbeko ɛde nsɛm pii ato dwa wɔse deɛ nti a Ghana boxing ɛnoɔma nkɔe no ne nyina ne sɛ aban no invest wɔ Ghana boxing no ma ne nti ana Ghana boxing no kwaa na ɛkɔ fam ne ntie Joseph King Kong Agbekpo.
I bet they say yebenya world champions because a competition ni ejumane you were very good boxers but omu nya competition obi mu wo ho amukoko a yebe fa obi amamu se omu fa nipa niko di agro omu na omu wi anaya ama omu win na wa okwa onim say nipa we obu because what you say on bana mu be di agro na on lose ma obi mu so ho a no mo ko fa motor rider obi a onye boxer obi a na omu nya good competition or ring ni obi mu kra omu good boxers ba obi mu jo mu na omu ko ring ni mu na omu ko lose ama omu nti ama
so we nsama Joseph King Kong Agbekpo di 2 year na no pe be gina so na fisime boaboa no ye de sia ne ama kwa ma latest intelligence abana mo no nsama waboa no ino de ato enim live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Latest akwaba
enna na yenua Blance na Jekum AK Orlando.
Okay.
Na owo Babanyara Sports Stadium. Virgin course no ho. Na minua want to say bibia boko there.
Latest adomni ahwe.
Bibia boko
adomni ahwe yi
enti na Fred Achi wo ho.
Ma achi ama ho.
Wa ma ho.
Dabi.
GFA penny ama ho. GFA penny bi ama ho. This GFA they are sick. Sa group ne form GFA no. Omo yare. They are sick.
Wow.
Andra hwe kotoko players. Hwe kotoko management members.
Yes.
Hwe house of folk. House of folk. Omo supporters ama ho.
National Supporters Union.
No more.
House supporters. No.
House management be by. House and penny for be by.
But me who National Supporters Union ne House of Folk supporters.
Okay. League na yebon e ho dia.
GFA for dia.
Omo yare. Ene se ketokreku tie mi anope me ka chen so yare.
Ket de oni krom ya.
Oni akra. Omo ne nkrofo be record ya ma no. Ket is sick and the GFA is sick.
Tomo hina ya.
Chade we ya akwakosie no. Mr. Fredati wu jo ka se mo did the necessary measurements egu akwam ni etima resume league no. What is the necessary measurement? What is the necessary protocol?
See, I started Division 1 new women's
protocol ben na so chain ni pankwa. Protocol na mudi egu akwam no. What sort of useless protocol are you talking about, Mr. Fred Champon?
See omo be hwe teams in security no omo be beef.
Look at this. Ni pana odawo na wahwe ne nkwa no ye nya GFA president to express the feelings about Paul Ewuono.
Yes.
U prodata akofo asoma ba obi ahwe ni kunu obi ahwe ne ba obi ahwe ni nua ba ma no eno no mfa GFA ho. What did the necessary protocol be go akwam? What sort of useless league are you playing?
Okay, me busa circles chairman, Ashanti region circles chairman.
Sa league boy, sa useless league boy. Who the protocol? What sort of protocol is that?
Kotoko for penny for say omodie.
Obi akwa kwhwe nkwa GFA penny entimi en si krom ha. The whole
almost woni krom here nti oba enye we na
katokreku
enye sa de we ne betimi
we na wo kan wasem no.
Yes.
O de eno am run up the course.
Alex Menu asa Ashanti region circles chairman. O say GFA penny which is ketokreku. Say on first statement embre kotoko as a condolence message omu ni problem omu nuamu House of Folk omu ye mpanyimfo no omu de na omu de bae na esombo de makotokofo esombo e de makotokofo ntino omaye omadwe say de ket ene ne GF ne ye omu nka ho asem bibia say omu so ombe ball league na omu de omu betimi abo say obi ansi obi akwan say omu ball league
say kotokofo tu municipality so omu kwakobo league we
omu de omu si GF ka so obebo ne league na ye omu product omu bebo enti little more ho eba 930 na na pinkra eden sem tudwa about kotoko supporters revenge opa o mache wo ho odin sem atudwa fa ensem a menhia enso e kantino
sports minister otie
yes.
O wadwuma ye pa sa nkrofo we nyina so opio mu nyina sa baller we o so opio mu nyina gu nchen
no be dey pio mu gu nchen I'm so autonomous body.
What sort of useless autonomous is that?
Into yes, I'll come back to normalization.
Now, FIFA ban Ghana, near football.
Come back to normalization.
And your normalization on ban Ghana. Na yɛn fa nneɛma ngu akwam normalization ɔmo bɛyɛ
adwuma no. So ɔmo bandeɛ de ate sɛ come back to normalization.
Normalization for no bɛyɛ adwuma no a ɔmo gya yɛn football no tantantan ma
kɛtɛ. Ɛndeɛ sɛ sɛ football fo yɛ na pere ɔmo sɛ bɔɔl no nkɔ so.
O de yɛn kɔ.
Martelito. Yɛba
9:30 useless protocol. O de nneɛma bɛ na egu akwam. Yi saa nneɛma no gu akwam. Efiri akwam na yɛ kɔ yɛ abira mo. League a yɛ bɔ ahwɛ yi na so. Mo bie mo anu ansɛm mu nko a panyini asɛmasi. IGP aba spending the time abani pani fie wo na wo se fisters useless fisters me ko boy na nipa na kwakwa hwede nkwa no wo te wo mai wo fa statement bi aba bonten
say on my crowd and kenye problem but say on fa statement ana audio bi kra metu dwa sa ade na asi no or ka bibia che enna kotokofo dwene ho omo nti ase no omo se your time
o de yankwe
your time
yakona fa yetamna ne nsam na balai for the Goten Super Mercantile 93.1 FM Sompa no wasugu so wute no eno no pedi nsaba wuto bebre enso te probo kaba pa ma bibia so etuma koe na ma me fanto de busa uram enso ewo Madrid derby no tibi toja ena no Saturday El Estadio Santiago Bernabeu to Madrid España ana mpato bibia game no etoja no yeto din enso tema kama ama Real Madrid bobo ko no motrafie wo me Atletico Madrid bobo ko de bani game no ko de wiye na akwa 1-1 ma me fanto de busa Brante free Julian Alvarez and tibi to atano atim ama Atletico Madrid bobo ko no ansana Real Madrid bobo ko no already did Kylian Mbappe lotin to do not for the Kylian Mbappe be patrobatica atim ama Real Madrid bobo ko nti game ni ko de wiye I was Spanish La Liga na Real Madrid bobo ko da sabako Atletico Madrid bobo ko de som that sabako ekwe 1-1 game no ko de wiye nemom before the game Real Madrid bobo ko no wo mo legend wo former captain already did Diogo Marcelo da Silva Jr. El Loco Marcelito to do not for Marcelo and some get me pa pitch so wo mo timi share the monyam e say Marcelo me patcho wareta from air football say Marcelo nya dia sam obeto so pitch so bio ese akante ma club bia sa Brante we djuma wo bobom na so tabar Real Madrid bobo kono anya djuma ke 20 Real Madrid before the game wo mo to so already thing and look about Richard Master Lukita to do not for Luka Modric ana or President Jesse Adiato Jem Adeba Brante for the Marcelito AK Marcelo Ama Marcelo so eba pitch ne so a just obeta Real to supporters no and in perifase maybe pia so to be koye and already did Diego Marcelo da Silva Jr. Loco Marcelito Teodoro Fer Marcelo one on gonna jump pitch ne so a Brante no enter Real to supporters na say what I say Abra no see kan Adeba Real to bobo kono na enya se keto kra mo akra na akra keto tenten na wo je Marcelo ni faso no eye ne ba what I say na ne ba no ono so see kan Adeba Real Castilla no tente Marcelo Sompa ebe Romo Real Madrid for senior team no na fa wetima pochuma enso tabar Real Madrid bobo ko interne kakra me patro fra Brante for the Marcelo e fi da so ya na so de ba ye wontima so tababu ye tabate so live on Sompa 93.1 FM oko Facebook de so na wo pomate follow na wa share na wo to message ne ba no pay ye be kenka so tababu ye tabate so ana fa Sompa TV enso na wo YouTube no so na fa wo subscribe na to message ne ba ana pebe kenkan bibia so beto ba kwe we to bete so a anya sem keto krampacho ba me fanto de me no pese de atenie Liverpool bobo kono aso FA Cup de Liverpool bobo kono kwakolusu Plymouth Argyle etuma Liverpool bobo kono pion e kabako na ye penalty ama Liverpool bobo kono mo prayer ani mentuma tentam na so fa Liverpool bobo kono into English FA Cup no Liverpool bobo kono kwakofrim ani menkoye en fa Liverpool bobo kono intade report I don't know pay and also pa na ba men fan to the best the atedesa wutini catch bobo kono woman na pole bobo kono so the bani e kwa 1-1 obi atumi twade nko ekabako na Chelsea bobo kono di kobani and no started day e wo English FA Cup the monument to bankoye Amfama Chelsea Bobokono, Chelsea Bobokuni Kolusuya, ama Bright Bobokuni Chelsea, Echari Kamiono, me Patriotumu Pako, into English Africa Plakasimfona, $2 Efrim, and you meant to Banque, and some Amfama Chelsea Bobokuni Tadeka, and on a Panasoba, now Romola Kadimwa, Chota de Vigo, me Patrobosha Miasa, Ria Petit Bobokuni Tekadimiano Bilbao, Ashamiasa Jurona Bobokuni Swent to Manoshe, Anna Biaria Coach Las Palmas, Echari Kamiono, Watamu Pako, me Patrona, Mamma Fantu, Basta Bobokono, Omusia Kain, and you meant to be Koye, Adaba Basta Bobokono, me Patro, the Atirasam, Omasha 9, Ama me Patro Sabia Bobokono, Wamote Kerubako, Abrante Fini Family Pes, and Pomati to be Twatana, Robert Fantoski Kupan Poko, already to Rafinha, and of Abrante the Tini Eric Garcia Matret, where the players are, Obo Focus no, Adaba Basta Bobokono, Family Pes, and so Konya record, away Kebinua, and you meant to Mantantam, and some Fama, me Patro Sabia Bobokono, Tenica, and on a Penisum, Eba, Yen went to Matama, went to Materaso, Ria Societal Bobokunisha, Espanol Tekerpaco, Valencia Bobokunisha 9, and Asomushamiano, Ama City Licane, as went to Manoche, a Tefe Quatini, Potibala Best, Tarikabaco, on a some went to Manoche, no robot Chaban Pundaslica, Lives Bobokunamushamiano, St. Paul Bobokunas went to Manoche, and a fair host and kill, and a Bokum Bobokuno, Equia 2-2, and on I am Patro Chaban Pundaslica, Urobo Italians, Akachurima Roma, me Patrobo Koshe, Benicia Boboku de Cabako, Woman to Manoche, Anna Femi Patronia, Monza Boboku Lazio, Etrobo Chobocanum, Omotobo Paco, Ama Cagliari Cacho Boboku, Moche Pama Chobocabiano, Wamotobo Paco lecture, and in Bologna Boboconom, Obiantoma Fabo, Antonio Quatra, Wa Aya French Los Championimo, Yenya Strasbourg, Omoshebiano Mompe, Boboku and Tomanoche, Olympic Master Boboku at the Stade Angers, Etra de Camiono, went to Manoche, Anna for Olympic Lenobo Kunisha 9, Stade Rembobo Kunen to Manoche, or Sani Tulu, as for Eque 2-2, I am Manchester Watua, and also to be Toja, Yen went to Maso Taba, we had to be so, what English Africa Primo, Tornamos Prebobo Kuno Equa Way, Aston Full Form, Natural Trouble Camino, Wamotobo Paco, Aman Patrol, the Atista, who want to one Trouble Kuno, and so Coche Black Ben, Etra de Caminoa, when some went to Manoche to way, I have some of the resources that we can do, and also to be Toja, Yen went to Maso Taba, we had to be so live on Sompa 93.1 FM, Borussia Dortmund, Bobo Kudet, Fiostuga, Quatini Chadikamian, Watabu Paco. Afei high team Bobokono ekoto Freiburg etobo Chobokabako almost went to Manoche Union Berlin Bobokone Shanai Hoffing Bobokone went to Manoche afei Mainz 05 and Uzbok ekwe 0-0 and afei Wolfsburg Bobokono and Bayer Falling Fakusa Bobokono Obiantoma Fabo Antonio Quatra entrance from Bobokone Borussia Mönchengladbach ekwe 1-1 into way I am Patro Saturday no German Bundesliga me Patro Italians Arcacho Estimula Bobokono Wamushemiano Empoli Bobokono as went to Manoche Hellas Verona Bobokone Trefie Ama Atlanta Bis Quatini Chadicanum went to Manoche Torino Bobokone Genoa ekwe 1-1 and afei Ram our French Los Championima Lens Bobokono Quatoa OGCN OGC Bobo Kunichi Lons, Echobo Cabiano, Wamos went to Manoche, Lee Metropoli Bobo Kono, Wamon Pabadi Trafie, Asha Bacolo, Havre, Quatini Chadicabiano, or Tekan Bacos, the Tin Bobo Kono, Wamo Pabatin, Aswit Trafie, Stade Rene, Aquatini Chadicabianoa, or no went to Manoche, Uromo, FA Capano, English FA Capano, May War, Epamati Sebiano, Leeds United and Manoche, Latin Orient, Etrafie, Man City, Quatini Chadicabiano, or Tabo Paco, Eva Bobo Kudes, Bournemouth Quatini Chadicamiano, on some Lantamanoche, if we Tabobo Quatini, Coventry City Chadicanai, or Tabo Paco, Anafayan Tima, your friend of Nayasta Tam to Bobo Kuromoto of your belly, Aquatini Chadicaba, and Tamanoche, Anafa Newcastle United, as well Quatini Birmingham City, Chadicamiasa, or Tabumiano, full of Bobo Kunishimiano, Wigan Athletic, as well Tekarabaco, Anafa Stoke, and Cardiff City, Quaya 3 Portis, Cardiff City, as well to run into the next stage of the competition. I have some of the resources and also pardon pay. Yeah, want to matter we had to matter so. Now me patroko ju febobo kuna so ya report and no payment say kapata se ju febobo kono. Omo pa branch the tina Timola Lukman alatite and of a branch for the Victor James Osimhen. Osia Kai, Adiman Napoli Bobo Kuno Bolon deal. ɛnso ɛde ama Galatasaray Sport Club boboko no ɛna reporter no pɛbɛ sɛ ka pata sɛ Juve boboko no already tene Cristiano Quintoli ɔne sporting director de ma Juve boboko no ɔne PSG mpɛrɛfoɔ gu so mutin kɔmɔ sɛ de bia swap deal betuma yɛ adwuma ama abrante fɛ Randal Kolomwani ne deal no so teme pɛm na nafa abrante na toa so ɛsi akan ɛnso tɛmɛ Juve boboko no fɛ Dusan Vlahovic ɛnso tɛmɛ kɔsi akan ɛde ama ayɛ PSG boboko no nyame atom na sɛsi na so antoanya no kakra bi patrofi Juve boboko no efro maso so de ba yɛn wɔtuma so tɛmɛ bo yɛ tuma tere so already tene Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro El Temprano Rapido Burkina El Bicho todo no finish Ronaldo officially or the penalty kata so where started the contract no adama Anastel boboko no na Madrid tapia no to be tocha no mame fanto de Mr. Brantia ni ding naso ni Kylian Mbappe loten todo no finish Kylian Mbappe before the game omuto Mr. Brantia ni monyam it was the player of the month of year last month ekoi at the Brantia finish Kylian Mbappe into La Liga player of the month of year January ekoi the Brantia finish Kylian Mbappe into before say a match no beto jano Brantia no naso kopiki award ni kama mon fa vite no son fantu TV no so Sompa 93.1 FM namo follow namo share namo to message rapa ana fe Sompa TV on the YouTube no subscribe now to message rapa ana pebe ken kaso taba bo yeto betere so na ma me fa to the bosta aye Madrid boboko no Real Madrid boboko no namo partas penalty do to be cause already did this success so to equity ya aduma Atletico Madrid boboko no na nya penalty papa into me patrobo the star pictures na babontain na patrobo me fa to the bosta Real Madrid boboko no one be contesting for a year referee mistake on us to be a na referees committee the same ampa o matter say o match video na Real Madrid pay the foka one some say Abrante for really too many committee ya a de penalty so the buyer ama Atletico Madrid boboko no Abrante for Julian Alvarez e bomba de to atedi kan e de Atletico Madrid boboko no Real Madrid pay the first penalty na referee part say Abrante fere chomeni kotia Atletico Madrid player bako enan so ewe penalty da kedimu na Real Madrid pay the four parts say enya no kra na so aye referees committee the quarters so part say there was a stamp et penalty no na a correct call star picture ni dia to Facebook resto no Sompa 93.1 FM na we follow na we share na we to message the pardon no pebe kenkan so taba we to better so reporter no pebe say ka part say there could be an agreement between Real Madrid Bobokono and for already Carlo Michel, Angelo Ancelotti Caleto, Teodoro Fenicalo Ancelotti manager, Edim Amarielma Tubokono, Amenami Atumna Sydney Swan, one bet to my party ways, I'm already Carlo Ancelotti call, now for already Shapi, Alonso Lano, elsewhere to my bar, nothing, one straight to my Bayetmas manager, Edim Amarielma Tubokono, and Tanya reporter on a Pemeseka, Nana Patrobamin Fanto de Bossa, Abrante Ferraou Asensio, Riaba Trempe, first one reunion contract, at the Manamo to necessary next one. One more another defender deliver pa. A four calling for Pubo Kuraso ya. Already telling one man to my motor my clips Salagali. To the football Salah. Report on a permanent Patterson. Sa Brantano. At the pen basic Kataso. Obey studied the contract. Dabali for Pubo Kono. A bit to be got already telling town of rain. I am former defender the Bali Fapu. And was one on him stand a Branton for the Mosala or for the last season. And a Dabali for Pubo Kono. Now Branton prepare life without live for Pubo Kono. Obe take another step as when the carry mo kwako sia kan as so tabaka bo bintu ndi onim say nyame atumne se next one already thing as so an slot in mpedi for anya the sound beto so anya Abrante for the Mosala as so tabaya juma bioma Abrante na to so as ya kan so tabali for Boboko no enti down of sema gwaba bonten no pay as so tabato ja already to na slot in mpedi for bo cause that's Liverpool attackers no one beto be complete overhaul Abrante for Luis Fernando Marunata Diaz, Dodo for Luis Diaz, already to the Dogo dos Santos Teixeira Jota, Dodo for the Dogo Jota, some players way, I expect to still for Pompey for better Jobo Quine, I'm a Macoda for the Piasso to Macquay, and so Tabali for Pubocono, woman to the Pasta Brantia, your friend Abrantia Feno, I am Matis Gapo, and that's the Cody Kappa, was that kind, Adabali for Puboco last season, me Patra Brantia for 21 goals in 53 games, 21 contributions, and a Brantia. Adama live for Pubo Kuni just about run. You bought 35 matches. Abrante for the Cody Capo. our 21 goals contribution and what Temali Fapu Bobo couldn't to be the passer abranted the already did an assault panel or yet Temali Fapu Bobo couldn't to mess the same now for both the other strikers about now for most straight to Babestia Kai and so Temali Fapu Bobo couldn't win in us and Penifobeta the Kai I'm now continuing a canon of pay and also Banyamia to Nessia Trust in 9:30. Yeah, full time no, you're the full time detours live on Sompa 93.1 FM. At the Baba, Nabi Piasom, Etoba Concanti, ye jai at the Ama or my hene, or mining in I hene, about the morning show or Baba Trase, Namaste, the open politics, open social, and some Elcos will gun have been piano and your mind hene. What I say to Baba Trase, live on Sompa 93.1 FM.